Hi guys, welcome back. It's Tiffany and today I am here to share with you my latest Ulta hauls. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently today. I love or have been loving these videos lately with these declutters and watching people kind of just hang out on their carpet or on their floor and just kind of looking through their makeup stuff, because to me it feels like when you're a young girl and you're like sitting there with your best friend and you're just kind of like, I have this and I have that and let's look at this and let's check this out. So I'm gonna do my little video today like that, because if you don't know, if you're subscribed, I just had a surgery. I'll link that little first video that I made up above. And I'm just kind of having a relaxed, chill day, and we're just gonna hang out together and go through these things that I just picked up from Ulta. So that's all right. So the very first thing that I picked up was the Sweet Escape collector set from Tarte, and this is what it looks like. How sparkly and cute is that? In this little collector's kit, you get a highlighter, 2 blushes, a bronzer, all these wonderful little eyeshadows, a small little lippy, a Man-Eater mascara, and you also get the Man-Eater full-size liquid liner. So this was $49, I believe. Yes, $49. I have not used this yet because I was waiting to share it with you guys first before I kind of destroyed it and took it apart. But yes, I am so happy that I have this because I wanted this as soon as I saw it. Then with that order, I also picked up this little set, which is, I paid $25 and it's a $42 retail value, and it's the Here Today Gone to Maui collector or color collection. So this little kit here, and with that you get a little Tarte lip paint here, and this shade I believe is in Vibin. And then you also got a Tarte lash paint, so a little mascara. And then this is what I kind of saw that I really wanted, which was the, fell apart, the Park Avenue Princess Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. So yeah, it's just so pretty, and as soon as I saw that, I said, I need that, so I picked that up. That was that second little kit. So with that purchase, because I think you had to spend over a certain amount, they sent you a free little gift set with that. So if that gift, or with the gift set, they gave you the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which I have tried before and I absolutely love that mascara. They also sent you a bronzer, which is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer, which looks like that. And I love this little packaging, or the little detail on there. And then they also gave you a primer, and it is in 0.067 fluid ounces or 2 milliliters, a clean slate timeless primer. So you got that. And then another little lip paint also as well. So that's exciting because I just added all that stuff to my Tarte collection. But what I loved absolutely more than anything is because I placed, I think it was over $75, you got this cute little glitzy, glittery pink bag full of samples. And I'm not going to go through all of them, but actually, because I have 2 from the second order, I got another bag of samples of stuff, and I kind of mixed them all up at this point. But let's see. We got a It Cosmetics Superhero Liner, a Strivectin TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream, a Too Faced, this might have been in the second one, Too Faced Mascara Melt Off Cleansing Oil Waterproof Mascara Dissolver, a bunch of little perfume samples, which I always love because they're just nice to have to try new perfumes. This one, of course, Prada Candy. That one is no stranger. This one, the Good Girl perfume. I actually am going to be picking this up and buying that because I love the smell of that. Oh, that's a lot. Versace Eros. Is that how you say that? I have not tried that one yet. So that is that. And some shampoo and conditioner. Some more little foil packs, some Too Faced glitter glue, some coupons, First Aid Beauty radiance pads, more stuff for your hair. I'm totally mixing these up, sorry guys. But this other kit was from the second order I had purchased. So that second order, I'll just go through that really quick. I had picked up the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment because this is part of my skincare project. So maybe not this month, but the following month I'll be doing Clinique products. So I picked that up to be part of that because they had the bonus points for Clinique products. So I used those points, or I bought that to get those extra points. And with that, they sent a small little bitty mini baby size of the Clinique Dramatically Different lipstick in the shade Canoodle, which is super tiny. And Essence mascaras were on sale, which is hard to believe because they're already cheap, but I picked up 3 of those because I've not tried Essence mascara yet, but it's the Essence Get Big Lashes in Triple Black, the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost, and the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. So I got 3 of those. And with that order, I picked up another bag of goodies. With this one, they had an Ulta lip primer, which I've tried before. I'm not crazy about it. This, which I absolutely loved. I opened it as soon as I got it, but it was the Hemp's lip balm because I love anything Hemp's brand. This came in one of the bags, but the Master Prime by Maybelline primer and base. There's also a L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub that was in a little baggie. There was a MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara, some micellar water. What else is in there? A Clinique Moisture Surge, which I already have. Another little Tarte primer, so that might be going in a giveaway pile for when I do my first giveaway. Some little Tarte lip paint samples, and a Purity Made Simple Eye Bounce Eye Gel. Alright, so that is it. That is everything that I got in my last 2 Ulta orders, and I'm so excited to try all of these little sample products out because I love samples, because then it convinces me to go buy bigger sizes of things that I probably don't even need, but I like it. So that is it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope everyone has a great day. So that is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
That is it.